Hello, I'm Jackie. Today a new video about the German alphabet. First I make the complete ABC in German with the big and the small letter. Then I make a mix with the ABC, and then you will see how will it be written when we write it, and also example for spelling. Okay, have fun. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ä, Ü, Ö. Now a mix. I can recommend that you learn the ABC, and when you sure you know it, then try the mix and write it down. A, H, O, W, B, J, P, X, C, Q, Y, D, K, R, Z, E, L, S, Ä, F, M, T, Ü, G, N, U, Ö, V, I. Now again with a small letter, the mix. I, V, Ö, U, N, G, Ü, T, M, F, Ä, S, L, E, Z, R, K, D, Y, Q, C, X, P, J, B, W, O, H, A. Now when we write a word, it looks a little different, and this is, I will make it faster. I, V, Ö, U, N, G, Ü, A, M, F, Ä, S, L, E, Z, R, K, D, Y, Q, C, X, P, J, B, W, O, H, A. Now how will be spelled my word? I will spoken Jacqueline. Jacqueline. So I will spell it. J A C Q U E L I N E. Other one. Hineingreifen. So write I. H I N E I N G R E I F E N. Yeah, I hope you have fun with this video. And when you want to help me with Learn Thai, then contact me. ขอบคุณค่ะ